EMO is a desktop AI companion robot primarily designed for entertainment, interaction, and emotional engagement. It can express emotions. It can be happy, sad, excited, and sleepy. It responds to commands and questions. It is capable of face and object recognition. It can dance to music, play simple games, show time, weather, and reminders. LOOI is more of a functional smart robot, usually focused on home assistance or cleaning. It is capable of automatic floor cleaning, room mapping and navigation, app control, such as scheduling cleaning and setting zones, obstacle detection, auto dock, and recharge. Some models offer basic voice control. EMO walks and avoids falling from desks. It gets AI updates over Wi-Fi. It is best for personal companionship, desk buddy or gift. Kids and adults who enjoy AI personalities, emotional and entertainment value. It cannot clean or perform physical tasks. It is not programmable for advanced robotics. LOOI is best for home automation, daily cleaning support, practical utility rather than interaction. It has very limited personality or emotions. There is little to no conversational AI. Choose EMO if you want an interactive, emotional AI companion. Choose LOOI if you want a useful smart robot for household chores.